We are here at the Pickwick Vintage Show. That's my price. And I just wanted to do a quick little vintage video. I want to do a quick little video to show you the show where I will be next month. So we have Madly Vintage. Lots of lace, colors.
Oh, that's gonna be perfect. I know.
This booth is Foundation Vintage. Lots of denim, lots of t-shirts, a few scarves, a little bit of lace. This one is Lulu Hippin. Definitely, all these people are on Instagram, so definitely check them out. This booth is Siren. Everyone has their own aesthetic. This is more I don't even know what to call this. Urban cowboy meets sophistication. I don't know. It's very few things for men. Oh, this is from the store Arcade. Now, Arcade is the same place that you can also consign your things, but they have a little booth here so that they're the person who runs Arcade runs this Pickwick Vintage Show. This is a nice little aesthetic here. This is a very mixed. Lots of neutrals, denim colors, 80s vibe. The jewelry world. Lots of jewelry. This is... I'm doing a video. Do you want to be on YouTube? Okay. Okay. We'll bypass. This is a little more neutral tones. Totally not my thing. So it'll be interesting to see how mine works because I'm not into neutrals for myself personally. But I appreciate what it is for other people. Very sparse. 3 little racks. Lots of denim. Lots of beige. It's like a southwestern feel to it. This one's lots of t-shirts, more men's stuff in here. Look at those pants, those are cool. If you have not come to Pickwick Vintage or any vintage shows in your town, you should definitely do it because the stuff is so different, so cute, more interesting than anything you can get in the regular stores. It's also, you're doing a good thing for the environment. It's sustainable, of course, but it's more interesting. I think gives you a more opportunity to express yourself through your clothes when you shop vintage. Kiko's Closet here. Prices are a range, everything from a cool pair of shorts for $125 to a cool pair of shorts for $350, right? Because they're more special. The Watch World. Look at that. How cute is that little thing on her? Jenn at MUSE. Maybe she'll talk to us for YouTube. We'll find out. She's busy transacting. We're going to come back. hot. So one must dress for the heat for sure. This is my favorite booth. It's more modern, which is closest to what I have. So I really love what's going on in here. Definitely follow Pickwick Vintage Show, downtown LA.
If you remember.
People here appreciating vintage and shopping. Miss Jen, I'm doing a video for you too. Would you like to be included?
Do I look really sweaty? Because I am really sweaty.
No, you don't look sweaty at all. You look like a woman who just made a really good sale. Good. Well, this is MUSE. And I met Miss Jenn in Palm Springs where she did this show. We're just going to show a little bit of what she has and we'll talk to her. Nice range here of pieces. Lots of fabric though. I feel like it's all about lots of fabric. I mean, maxis.
Yep, we love our maxis.
So this is Jenn, the MUSE shop. You can find her. So Miss Jenn, how are you?
I'm good. I'm sweaty today.
Let me get to where I can see you. So tell me about how it's been going today here and the kinds of things people have been buying.
So I've sold at this point. I've sold 2 caftans. That's a given because I'm a people know me as like, I'm gonna go get my caftan from this girl like right now.
Okay.
So I've sold 2 of those and then a couple of like fun dresses for one of my clients. She's a singer. Okay. So she does a lot of performances. So she's doing a whole Christmas special. So she got 2 pieces for that.
Oh, good.
And then just a couple things, just like, oh, I'll take this, I'll take that, you know. 2 dresses went to like a wedding thing.
Interesting.
So yeah, so I've done pretty good.
So you're known for your caftans.
Known for my caftans.
Wow.
And my my glam.
And your glam. So show me some of your favorite pieces that have not yet sold.
Okay, yeah. Actually, let's see. Okay, well this is one of my favorite pieces on the mannequin.
Okay.
This is by Malcolm Starr.
Wow,
He's a household name at MUSE.
Yeah.
So he uses these beautiful fabrics that are like have the metallic yarns woven inside.
Wow.
And this is all hand beaded. So this is like an incredible, like almost couture style dress.
So if someone were to buy this dress, how would they use it? Where do you think they would wear it?
This, you could wear it for a birthday party, maybe a bridal shower, or a wedding.
Sure, yeah, it would be beautiful.
Or if you have like a nice event you're going to, that's how I would wear this one.
So cute.
Love it. I also totally love, this is Oscar de la Renta.
Oh.
So I would belt it like that.
Okay. Oh, that's beautiful.
I love the paisley, and this is an early Oscar, so like 60s.
Wow, that is amazing.
And then, yeah, as far as over here, I just got this in. This is by Seal Chapman.
Okay.
So Seal Chapman was like one of the first female designers that had her own name on a label.
Really? Okay.
In the 50s. So this is like draped.
So pretty.
Yeah, Seal. A lot of people, it's like it's kind of a niche market. People who really like the 50s and that older kind of Vogue style.
Does it have a label in it we can see?
It does, yeah.
I want to make
So
sure
here
we
it
see
is.
what I always love to see what these
These
labels
tend to
are.
run really small, so you have to be like a size 0.
Ah, Seal Chapman. I just want to make sure I heard you correctly. Well, made in the USA.
Yeah.
I love it. That's
So
beautiful.
that one I just got in and I'm in love.
That is a fun print.
Yeah, it's fabulous. And I also really love, honestly, I love these maxis. Like any of these maxis, I'm obsessed with.
Oh yeah, that is terrific.
Yeah, and you just throw it on and it's a whole look. You don't have to worry
Is that
about
70s?
It's the 70s.
I love it.
So any of those I really like. This jumpsuit is really fun. It's a jumpsuit.
I love how you have all the colors.
Yeah, it's very Palm Springs, you know. Yeah, and this one's cool too. It's actually, it's a jumpsuit, but it has like a thing on top of it. Kind of like a Indian sari style.
Do people ever ask you to find particular things for them?
They do, yeah. It's hard to find particular things for people, you know. Oh, I'm sorry. I think she's trying to get through.
That's no worries.
Oh, thank you. You know, it's great because it hides like the bloat that's happening down here. So, you know, I'm grateful for it. Oh, thank you.
It's bloat proof.
Yeah, it's bloat. I mean, that's the best part about caption. Thank you.
How cute that is.
That is great.
$2.50. Wow.
I know. I love the vintage paint that is on there too. I love that.
Really cool, Liz.
I think it's 1960. Yeah, those are the best colors.
Garfinkel. Wow, I remember Garfinkel. Not because I shopped there, just remember hearing it. Hearing of it. Maybe I did shop there. In Washington, is that state or DC? I don't know. How cute is that? Ooh. Saks Avenue. She's such a good eye. I literally touched a jacket down there at Arcade, and literally it was gone. I was walking, I turned around and someone had already bought it. I saw them ringing it up. Not that I was here to buy, but if I was going to buy something, that had tempted me. And then like it was like gone. So, great.
Oh, there's that breeze. We need that.
Leo Pucci, that's beautiful. Tell me about.
That one's also 35.
She's busy selling. We'll get back to her in a minute. I'm going to go back here and look for some more things. Mary McFadden.
It's so cute.
These 70s maxi dresses.